Okay men, our next event is coming up on the 9th of May and it's going to be foot golf. Now the great thing about foot golf is you don't have to be great at golf and you don't have to be great at football. You can just come along and have a great time with us. If you've got a football, bring it. You need to pay £10 and you can sign up right now via our website. If you want to know more, have a word with one of the team. But men, do not miss out on our next Courageous Men's event. It's going to be on the 9th of May at 1 p.m. Foot golf.
We praise you, God, for you are high and lifted up. Yahweh, 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 Yahweh.
As Love Black Country, we want to introduce a new opportunity for an evening of worship and prayer for the Church of the Black Country.
So come and join us, be part of this mission to follow his instruction to build his throne, his church, and his desire to move across our nation, across our region. It's time.
So from every church and community,
from every denomination, in every borough,
from every culture, every generation, and every member of his body.
It is time for Together Worship. Come to worship together.
Friday, the 24th of April, 7:30 p.m, right here at Revival Fires.
Come and join us.
Have you joined Excel Church in the last 6 months or so? Well, we've got a new People's Lunch happening on Sunday the 10th of May. This is a chance for you to get to know the leaders, get to know other people here at church and to have a free lunch as well. It will be happening in between the morning and afternoon service, so make sure you come along and sign up online if you are joining us for that. You can find out more information by speaking to one of the leaders. We'd love to see you there.
Rest in me. We praise you, God, for you are high and lifted up. Yahweh, 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 praise.
this Saturday is the next devoted event for the ladies at Excel Church called Time to Testify. It's happening this Saturday from 5 till 8:30 p.m. It's a free event, so why don't you sign up online, come along and get ready to hear the stories of what God's doing in the lives of women here at Excel Church. It's a night you don't want to miss out on.
Did you know there are 5 Wednesdays in April, which means on the 29th of April, we've got our next Leadership Development Night. This is for anyone here at Excel Church that feels that calling of leadership on their lives. Come along for that evening. It's going to be a great time. And we've got guest Dot Burnett coming from St Paul's AOG in Worcester. She'll be joining us there to give us some tips and tricks on how to be a good leader and just great ministry as well. So do come along for that if that sounds like it's for you. That's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday is Release, where we're starting a new 2-point series from Mike, and it's going to be called The Battle for the Mind. You don't want to miss out. Have a great week, guys.